All right, you guys got to forgive me. It's very early in the morning right now, but sometime around midnight last night, I was involved in a conversation to where we just put the 4L60E into the 7-second quarter mile bracket. And not just 7 seconds, 780 coasting. Yes, Matt coasted to that 780 because of boost cut. I still don't know how to feel right now. I'm still processing this. This has been a lifelong project over the past decade, and by no means can I take a ton of credit, because when you do something like this, it involves a team, and there were a shitload of people involved in it. And I just want to thank them before we play the video. My guys, personally, Travis, Evan, Sawyer, they have contributed to the builds just as much as I have. We are a team at Performabuilt. Matt Lantz, the wild man, the fucking driver, the man behind the wheel, he believes a lot in us, and I definitely couldn't have done this without him, because he's willing to try stuff no one is. The guy's a go-getter, and he ain't gonna stop anytime soon. Chris Wagner, Chapter 11 Racing Engines, Trick Chassis, Pete Nichols, Circle D Specialties, built one hell of a converter to combo with my 4L60E, and I want to do Vicious Performance with Yancy Rodriguez, and of course the man that I would mostly closely work with would be Jack Roberts from Squirrel Tune. That's the other half to the 4L60 right there, and Jack Roberts obviously is a major professional if he can make my transmission do this. So those are the guys. I can't say thank you to everyone enough. I don't know how to feel right now. I'm going to take the day to process it. In the meantime, enjoy the video, the first 4L60 and a 780, and always remember, it's not built unless it's a Performabuilt.